Talk to you guys a little bit about polishing your chrome trim. Yeah, these got clear on them. This is so this is kind of what they look like after you're done. I've got I shot Tamco, and I shot it super smooth in orange peel. Really easy to do with that product. It just flows down really nice. I don't get anything from Tamco, by the way. When I see something that's really good, I just tell everybody about it because, why not? It's good stuff. And I'm going to talk to you guys real quick about straightening your chrome trim if you have some dings and dents in it. This one right here was really dinged up. And, I like it to have a few little spots. I mean, it's got a couple little ones, right? Like right there, a little one. I don't mind if it has a couple little spots in it because I like it to look old on this car. But if you're going to try and polish out your trim, use the polishing kit that I told you about. We actually had to do a little bit of sanding on them to get off the rest of the anodizing. So these are original trim. They've been stripped and anodized. The anodizer got stripped off of them with. It takes a while for that to happen with oven cleaner. And then what you do is, if you have dings in it, you try and straighten them out the best you can. Get them really, really close to where they're, almost perfectly straight, and then sand it like you do body work. And then the ding will actually go away. You can sand it out as long as you don't remember, these are pretty thin trim. So you only got so much sanding you can do on that, to level that. So it's almost like using it as a coat of primer, and sand it a little bit, and then you can get that ding to actually go away. Get it as straight as you can, really, really straight, and then give it a little bit of sanding. I use a DA sander, so that, like a hand sanding could take you forever. You could do it, but I'll use DA sander, sand them really good, and then I'll sand them up to 1000 and then polish them. So I just wanted to tell you guys real quick about that, give you guys a quick look at this. This looks the closest replica to the original trim, which was it's like a chrome anodizing they used, and it's shinier than any of the aluminum trim that you can buy. The original trim was. So I kind of wanted it to look like that, look like the original trim did. And this is original trim, but I wanted it to look like it did when it was new, kind of, but not exactly, a little bit of use to it. And then I could put it on the car and have a nice looking trim, that looks really clean and different than what everybody else has. My other car has the stainless. I really like the stainless, but on this color of the car, I wanted this aluminum colored trim because it looks a different color than the stainless steel. So anyway, but that's how you do it: is you straighten it as straight as you can get it, sand it really good with a DA. You're shaping it, reshaping it back, and then polish it from there. All right, so that's how you get your dents out of your trim. Little talk real quick. Thought I'd show you guys this, those of you who are interested. See, it's really shiny, and it looks, but it's not like just raw aluminum when it's shiny. You can make that look almost like chrome, but this looks more like, it looks shinier than the trim you get from the aluminum trim that you can buy, but similar to, more shinier than that. So it's similar to the original look that the original trim had. Talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.